So once again, I say good morning to you all, students. So it is 10 o'clock, 2 minutes after 10. So to this class, it's not a class where I will teach you physics. No, today's class is not for physics. So if you have gone through your LMS page, you might have seen there's some information that I put there. My name is Ayola from Physics Department, University of Ibadan. So I will be taking you physics, C-Physics 103, together with my colleague, Dr. Oyeni from Physics Department. So 2 of us will be taking you the course. I will be the first person to start the course. And after a while, you will take up from me. So, and I believe you will really enjoy the class. So I want to welcome you to University of Ibadan. And I say congratulations to you all. So please, this is University of Ibadan, where your certificate or your degree will be awarded based on your attitude and your performance, your academic performance. To go in line in UI, as well as you have awarded your degree or your last week. I forum where I ask you what. So today I will ask you student. I believe you can hear me, right? The sound is not clear. Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir. We can hear you, but
That's
it's
network.
breaking.
That's
Yes, sir. We can hear you sound and clearly.
okay. Hello. So can we hear me now? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, sir. We
So I
can
said,
hear you.
oh, okay.
We can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I said I want to congratulate you for your admission to the University of Ibadan. Out of thousands of students that applied to the University of Ibadan, so you have been privileged to be selected to be one of the students for 2025-2026 session. And I wish you the best. I wish you the best. And I told you, I introduced my name, that I am Ayola from Physics Department, University of Ibadan. I'll be taking you C-Physics 103, together with my colleague, Dr. Oyeni, also from Department of Physics, University of Ibadan. So I will be the one to start the course. And after I got to a point, you will take up from me and conclude the course. So the course is very simple, depending on your, let me say, number one, as I've said, depend on your attitude and depend on your seriousness. Depending on your seriousness, if you are serious enough, so you can get 90, you can get 90 something, you can get 80. So it's very possible. You can even get 100. Yeah, we have seen somebody getting 100 before. Yeah, I think there was a session that somebody got like is it 100 or 99? I forgot, but around 100. So it's very possible because it's about properties of matter. So it's about the properties of matter. So when you listen well, you will. I created a Telegram group. So the Telegram group is for C-Physics 103 and other physics courses. I'll be putting some information on the group so that you can quick access to any information and any other important information. Use the link on the LMS page. So, and again, when the test is around the corner, so your venue, your sitting arrangement and all that is very important. But at the same time, I'll be putting those information on the Telegram group I created. That's why I created the group. And if there's anything you want to put it to other groups so that I can reach it. So once again, welcome to University of Ibadan. Welcome to Physics 103, Physics 103. Sorry, before we used to call it Physics 103, but since last session, it has been changed to C-Physics 103. So, and it's still the same content with some additional parts. So, if I may ask you, is there any challenge or any problem or anything you have been facing that you don't know how to go about it in UI so that we can discuss it? Today is not for teaching physics. It's just to interact and know how well have you gone or how far have you gone. And again, if you want to, you can raise your hand and I will. Okay. Somebody say, what is the meaning of C? Last year, there was a change in the notation of courses because on the level last year, what they did was we call it CC Mass. As a core curriculum or CC Mass. That C stands for CC Mass. C, and there's so many to that. Are we together? So just to differentiate what we have been doing before was BMAS, but this one was CCMAS, core curriculum and minimum academic standard. Core curriculum and minimum academic start. So, but we cannot write the whole CCMAS. So that's why we just use C, core curriculum and minimum academic standard. And it starts from last session. So this session also will continue from you. So I believe we get that. So that's a question that somebody has. Okay, somebody is raising hand. That's Nathaniel. Can you unmute yourself and talk? Oh, the network is fluffy. Nathaniel, can you unmute yourself and speak?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay, how are you?
Fine, sir. So, somebody asked in the comments, the person said that why are they different, like physics 101, physics 102, physics 103?
Oh, yeah, that's a very good question. That's a very good question. You know, when you were in secondary school, what they will teach you is physics. And if you look at the physics you did in secondary school, you will see that there are many parts. Number one, you will see that you have mechanics there. You will see that you did electricity. You will see that you did the electromagnetism, where you'll be talking of Faraday and other things. So, but in the university or in higher institution, those courses are not lumped together. They have to separate them because they are deeper than what you are taught in secondary school. They are deeper and they are broader than what you were taught in secondary school. So each course is each physics as a whole is broken into different parts. We have mechanics, we have heat and thermodynamics, like physics 103 now is around heat and thermodynamics. In fact, before the last session, it was heat and thermodynamics that we call it. But the last session, we had some parts together, so we didn't call it heat and thermodynamics again, but we call it properties of behavior of matter, rather, behavior of matter. So that's why they break it into different physics. And they can now call it physics. So they have to use notation. This one is first one, let's say physics 101, physics 102, physics 103, another courses. So is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this is so
Thanks, sir.
wide that we cannot just put it in one course. So, and you cannot even do that. You cannot do everything. So there are many physics that meant major. You will do many. Okay, I think somebody is saying I should check the LMS page. Yeah, somebody said class. Yes, after the virtual classes, you will write tests. You will write it easy. In fact, 99% of the, if not 100% of the lecturers will give you tests on what they have taught you, where you will submit virtually. You submit either on LM, bear it in mind, you will do test. So you will do test. Okay. Somebody said that. Let me check the question. Okay. Okay. So, any other thing? Okay, somebody say I check the elements. Let me check the elements to see today. Okay, somebody say, how are we going to manage ourselves? Managing what's Alebioshu, Anuluwapo, what do you mean by how are we going to manage ourselves? I don't understand the question. Manage in what sense?
Lecturer. Rárá o.
Alebioshu, Anuluwapo. You say, how are we going to manage ourselves? I don't understand the question. Can you explain what you mean? Bio 101 is also happening. Okay, Bio 101 is also happening at the same. Okay. If that be the case, okay, I've taken note of that. Tuesday, that means it's Bio 101 on Tuesday alone, 10 to 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
On
so it
Tuesday,
should be
10 to 11. So it's clashing with this class.
It's clashing. Okay,
Yes, sir. So
I've taken note of.
by 101 right now.
Oh,
So we have to leave that one for physics 103.
Even COS 101 is clashing.
Yes,
Okay.
US 101 is 10 to 11.
I've taken note of that. They will correct that. I will get back to them and they will do the correction so that they don't have clash classes.
Okay, sir.
So, okay, I will Bio 101. Okay, Tuesday 10th. Okay.
And COS 101, sir.
And COS 101.
Which one is US 101?
Computer
No,
science.
okay, CS 101.
COS.
Okay, they call it COS now. Yeah.
COS, yes, sir.
Okay. What's happening? Why?
But I saw it as Tuesday and Friday and Wednesday for Bio 101, zoology and botany.
Okay, zoology and botany is
Yes,
Tuesday.
Wednesday and Friday.
Okay.
It's just
No, it should be.
It was Tuesday.
It should be one time per week. It should be one time per week.
Yes.
I don't know why.
By 101 is not clashing. It's just COS 101 that's
It's
clashing.
not clashing. It's only CS 101. Bio 101 is on Friday and Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's COS
Friday and
101.
Wednesday.
It's not done by UI teacher or lecturer. It's just like a lecture on the YouTube.
Yes. It's not.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, it's not done by UI lecturer. Okay, you know what? Do you have a rep yet? Do you have a representative that can write that on the Telegram group so that I can pass it to them? But be sure of what you are saying before you write anything. Just write to the Telegram group that this course and this course are clashing, and give me the date and the day and the time so that I can pass it across to them.
Sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, I think the school should help us create a proper timetable so that
No,
all
they
these
will do that. That's why I said
together.
they have done that. But if any course is clashing with other course, so they have to adjust it. That's why I said somebody should write it on the Telegram group so that I can see all the information and send it to them. Do you get?
Sir,
I believe you will do that. Good morning, Fatala.
Yes, I will check and write, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But why do you use the person that just? Why do you use E as your name? You should write your matric number and your name. You write. I just saw E. E is for what?
Okay, sir, noted.
Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, I can hear you, Fatala.
Sir, the COS 101 on the LM portal has not been updated according to what I saw there. Last time it was 2021. So the time may not be correct.
No, COS 101 class is ongoing currently.
Which one? Which one is ongoing?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Hello?
COS 101. The class is
Sir, that's COS 101. But they're
Okay.
having class right now.
Okay.
Yes, COS 101 class is
class right now.
Okay.
The COS 101 yesterday that I joined, the lecturer is not present since
Today,
like 10 a.m.
It's there
But
It's
today.
present
today
It's
is
present
there.
today.
It's there, yes. It's there today.
News is
Let's
even going on that he's sharing marks.
Ah,
That CS11 is
Max.
not online. It's not a live video. You can even download it after the
No,
lecture.
if you go and join the Zoom, the man is there. He's explaining. He's giving marks to
Zoom.
you for
COS
answering
want
questions.
a recorded video, so it's already, you can just download it on YouTube.
Okay. Okay, but if it's a normal class, it should not be clashing with any other one. It should
Sir,
not.
they're having a class. Excuse me, sir. They're having a class right now.
Now,
Yes. CS 101 on
uh,
Zoom.
there's no date here. It's only
uh,
time. Tuesday, 10
I will
a.m. to
get back.
11
I
a.m.
will get back to you. CS. What of BAO 101? BAO is not part of it again, right?
No, sir. Yes, sir. It's not part of it.
Okay, it's always
We have that
COS
tomorrow
101.
morning, 8 a.m.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
but that of computer science,
COS.
I will.
Yes, sir. It's
Okay,
clashing with this.
okay, and I will let you. I will let you know. I will
Okay, sir.
let you know. Ayodele Anoluwako. Okay. So this Zoom might not contain everybody offering this course. So we always stream to YouTube. If you want to join and you see that the Zoom is already full, so you have to join through YouTube. Maybe if as from next week we do that. We do that. Though I stream to YouTube today, but I don't think we are up to the maximum number of Zoom limit. So, but next time, if we are having class and you want to join and you see that the Zoom has been already occupied, so I will send a link either to the Telegram group or to the LMS page. So just click, it will take you to the class, but via YouTube, and you will see enjoy whatever the other people on Zoom are enjoying. So, any other thing? Adele, what do you want to tell me?
Good
Bello,
morning, sir.
good
Good morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning.
I want to ask, how are we going to get the course outline for Physics 103? It is
So
not
you will
well
get
indicated in the LMS portal.
it will the course outline is on the LMS, and when I upload your notes this week, I will be uploading the note for the next class. So you have to download it and go through the note before the interaction class. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Before the next class, I will always upload your note. So the first note that I will upload, you will see the course outline, everything there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
I may also put videos if I like, so you can download the video, listen to it often and often for better understanding. So
Sir,
any other thing? Okay.
sir, the note you upload,
Yeah.
are we to copy it?
No, you don't need to copy. Just download and print it. If you like, you can write it in your own notes. But it's better you can download it and be reading the note.
Okay, sir.
But
Okay,
if you like, if you know that you are the type that like writing notes, fine, you can do that.
thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other thing?
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Fatala?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Okay.
The issue about this COS 101, the man has like the host has already closed the whole thing down. I hope we don't have anything to worry about because that's like the first class and it's already
Okay.
getting scary to me.
No. Just put your mind at rest. Everything will be sorted. Please. The info today, you should not take any class today. Today is for interaction.
And
I will
but
ask you.
the lecturer, like, know this maximum host thing that they put on Zoom, he has already sealed people from entering. Oh,
Hello, Fatola. Do you know what you will do? I've told you any information that you have, just put it on Telegram group for me. I will pick it from there and send it to the appropriate quarter to handle that. Do you get?
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, any other thing? I think Iniolu has raising
Hello,
his
sir.
hand. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Adeloye, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, the notes. Are we going to see it on the LMS portal? Because I checked the portal this morning and I saw one YouTube group link that we can download the video there. Do we need the video, sir?
You mean the video is on C-PHY 103, right?
Yes.
But it's for this course.
Okay, sir.
But I will still upload the note, the normal note PDF that you will need to download, print it, and be reading it. Do you get?
Okay, sir.
But
Yes,
the
sir,
video
the
is
note.
also the video.
The note is going to be on the LMS paper.
Yes, I'll be putting it on the LMS page. No, I will not put it on Telegram.
Sir.
I'll be putting it on LMS page. When we start physical class too, I cannot give you note physically. I'll be putting it on LMS. Anytime we have a class, that day or the following day, I'll put your note there. You download it and read.
Okay.
Do you get?
Sir.
Okay, yeah.
Sir.
Hello.
Please, are we starting this class again against resumption?
You mean phase 103?
Yes, sir. Like
we cannot finish now.
Afresh.
We may do revision.
We continue for where we stop.
We continue, but we do revision of what we have done during the virtual class.
Okay, sir.
You just do revision and continue. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. I have a question,
you?
Sir. Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning,
How
sir.
are you? David Yolanda.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I'm David Raja. My question is that our tests and exam, are they going to be based on what we've been taught, or like they're going to be from like somewhere else and some other stuff? Like, is it based on what we...
Why do you ask that? This is University of Ibadan. So you are another level. Nobody will do that for you.
Okay, sir.
So your test and your your exam will be picked from what you have been taught. So nobody will go extra mile to go and download questions from someone and give you. No. Just focus on your note. So, and I told you, it's very important you read the textbook and other materials, watch video. But the first material that I would recommend is your notes.
Okay, sir.
Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening, sir.
Very, very important you hold on to your note first before any other material. So if you know, this textbook is very good, it's good, and you just dump the note somewhere, you might end up in getting what you don't like. Please, your note is very important. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. All right. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, please, I want to ask that is there a test on this virtual class? Are we going to do any test?
Yes, there will be. Yeah. After the virtual class, there will be a virtual test. Either we use LMS page or we use other platform like a Google form and that. So, but there will be tests. All the lecturers will give you tests.
Good morning,
test. Good morning. What's your name? Change
Good morning,
your name
sir.
from. Good morning, Amos.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I want to ask that with this class put to resume, sir.
You said?
Another question, sir.
Let him listen to Amos first. Amos, what's the question?
Yes, sir. The question is that I want to ask that with this class hold to resume or maybe after resume and stuff.
No, it will hold for like 6 weeks. For like 6 weeks. So after 6 weeks, I think they will give you like 1 or 2 weeks, for resumption physically. Then we started the physical classes.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah,
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I'm listening.
Yes, sir.
I want to
ask that is it only on Tuesday we'll be having class? Only on Tuesday, right?
Yeah, for physical lecture, it is only on Tuesday, 10 to 11 for physical lecture. But when you resume, it will change. It will change. You definitely it will change.
Okay.
I think it will be Wednesday, 8 to 10. Wednesday, 8 to 10 every week. That's for physical class, but virtual class is Tuesday like this. Okay, I'm listening.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, will the virtual test,
You said?
will the virtual test will it count part of our GPA?
Sure now. Sure now. Sure now. How you want to do?
Are you taking attendance? Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
sir.
Good
It
morning,
was
Omori.
Good
morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Sir, I have a question concerning our fees.
Okay.
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm listening.
So when are we going to start paying those fees that we are expected to pay? Before or after?
I cannot hear you. You said?
I said when are we going to start paying our fees that we are expected to pay? Before or after we resume?
No, it should be before you resume. It should be before you resume. So
and we're resuming 2nd of March.
Second, and you have not been paying your
We have
fees.
not been informed. We have not been informed of anything.
Probably they have not opened the portal for that. Once they do, you will see. Or you have the money. If you have the money, don't spend it. Please keep it. They will soon open the portal for you to pay your money.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Destiny, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Samuel, how are you?
Fine, sir. So I want to ask, is this course is there any practical aspect of it in this heat and thermodynamics?
Yes, but the practicals are not broken into parts. So you do it together, both for mechanics, for thermodynamics, and for other processes. You do the practical together. We call it C-Physics 107 and C-Physics 108. So those are the two practicals in physics that you will do. C-Physics 107, C-Physics 108.
Okay, sir.
And I've told you the meaning of C in the front.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, it has been told that we are resuming March 2nd, right?
Yeah, March 2nd, yeah.
Before we started this virtual class, there were some write-ups that said even once resumed, virtual classes continue. Is this true, or it was just like a misunderstanding from my reading?
Okay, that we will still continue virtual classes, right? No. Once you resume physically, we start a physical class, in-person class. Yeah, I can listen. Yeah, I can hear you.
I can hear you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Anu.
Okay, sir, I want to ask that for these virtual classes, are we going to be having assignments?
It's very, very possible. Very, very possible you have assignment. Very likely. To me, I give assignments, which you have to do and submit.
Okay. Okay, sir. So are we going to be using the LMS for Telegram?
For exam.
For the assignments.
Sure. LMS.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Asha.
Are you taking attendance?
What did you say?
I said, are you taking attendance, sir?
Yeah, I have your information here.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, when we resume physically, are we still going to be doing virtual lessons or it's going to be cancelled?
What's that?
I said when we resume physically, are we still going to be taking virtual lessons or there will be no virtual lessons again?
There'll be no virtual classes again. That may be. Probably there's. Yeah, good morning. Probably the lecturer wants to cover some parts and there's no time for physical class. There may be. Because in UI now, they allow online class of about 30%, I think, yeah. That the lecturer, if there's a need to do virtual class, is permitted to, he or she is permitted to do it. Yeah.
But what if your physical class classes with your virtual classes?
If what?
If your physical class, like the class when we resume, if it is class with the virtual classes of such lecturer.
No, that cannot be possible.
Okay, sir.
No, that cannot be possible.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. I wanted to ask, when we resume physically, are we going to?
You are making it rowdy. You are making it rowdy. You have been at least behaving well, but it's getting rowdy now. Okay, let me hear you.
So I wanted to ask. When we resume physically,
okay,
are we going to start from beginning, or we'll continue from where we stopped the virtual classes?
No, when we resume in-person classes, what we do is that we do a quick recap of what we have done, so that it can flow together. We do a quick recap and we continue from where we stopped. But we have to at least do revision of what you have done during the virtual classes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I can hear you, Ibrahim.
So,
good morning.
you said something about the note. When will it be dropped on the LMS portal, sir?
For virtual classes, are you listening? Your note will be dropped before our next class.
Okay.
Do you get? But for physical class, your note will be dropped after the class. Do you understand now? So before Tuesday next week, I will put your note, the note for next week there. So you download it, go through it, so that when we meet for our interaction like this, you can ask a question.
Yes,
sir. Good morning.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
The virtual class. You said you are going to do test.
You said?
You said for the virtual class, you said we'll be doing tests, we'll be writing tests.
Sure. The 6th week will be for tests.
Is it going to be added with our normal results?
Your what?
Like, is it going to be added with the normal results at the end of the semester?
Everything will be used. Every test you do in UI will be used for your result.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Please.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Sir, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sorry, sir. Please, I wanted to ask because I was hearing we are resuming March 2nd, but I've checked the UI portal and I can't find the March 2nd on the UI portal.
No, it's actually March 2nd. The person is correct. The person that told you March 2nd is correct.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, sir. What I will do? I will check the calendar and send it to the our Telegram group. I believe you are on Telegram group.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. I think I even have the calendar saved.
Okay.
Yes,
good
morning,
sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So the classes be on only Zoom.
Only what?
Would the classes be on only Zoom?
He said no.
No, for these 6 weeks, we'll be having virtual class on Zoom and YouTube, because YouTube cannot. The number of students doing physics 103 is over 1,000 students, and Zoom cannot continue up to that. So I will need to stream to YouTube. If you want to join the class and you see that the Zoom is already full, you have to pass through the YouTube, so that you connect through the YouTube and still enjoy the same class that the others are enjoying.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Amos.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Please, I want to ask that.
Good morning, sir.
The first semester, the CBT of people. The first semester
What?
examination. Will be the first semester examination, the CBT of people.
Yes. It will be CBT. That's exam. That's your exam. Your test may be written.
Is it LMS portal?
The same password.
No. CBT. You will go to CBT center and do your exam there.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
If the Zoom is full and we go to the YouTube, how are we not going to mark for attendance?
Everything is captured. Have you seen it? Everything is captured because all of you will reflect on either Zoom or on the YouTube. Like the one we are doing now. All of you are like the one you are doing now. David is talking. I'm on YouTube now. I can see David. I got something. So
good morning, sir.
Good morning. I will Lucy promise. I'm on YouTube and I can see you. Olugbade Nathaniel.
What are the textbooks you can recommend for us,
You will see it in the notes. I will upload your notes before the. Owolabi, I cannot hear anything from you. Owolabi.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Owolabi, where do you want to record? Why do you want to do the recording?
I don't want it to enter.
Please, what are the textbooks you can recommend for us, sir?
The textbook will be in your notes. I will upload your notes before Tuesday, coming Tuesday. So you will see the textbook there. You will see the course outline and the notes. Do you get?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good morning.
Please, sir, when is the student portal going to be opened for everybody to have access to it?
Student portal?
Yes.
Very soon, student portal will be open because you need to pay before you become a bona fide student. Very soon, they will open the portal. That's an important part. They will do that. Before you resume, portal will be open. Many of you will pay their fees before coming to UI physically. And if they not open the portal, you cannot do that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Ibrahim, how are you?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, if we weren't able to join the Zoom due to the fact that the maximum amount of people have joined and we joined the YouTube, can we ask questions like we are asking here, sir?
Yes, you can ask questions. You can ask questions.
Good morning, sir.
But what I will do to join the Zoom, to join the YouTube, yes. I will copy the link, the YouTube link, to Telegram group and to the LMS. So once you click it, it will take you to YouTube straight.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So can we use the normal procedure of we muting our mic, and so the ones that raise up their hand we use the opportunity to ask questions? It is getting a little bit disorganized, sir.
Right. Yeah, I can mute all of you. So if I want you to talk, I just leave this one open because today is just an interaction class. Do you get? If it's a normal class, I will do it in such a way that nobody will be able to unmute his or her mic.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. Emmanuel, I cannot hear you.
Sorry, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yes, sir. It's not some of us in our group. We can't set our institutional.
That person should meet herself.
Hello, sir.
Okay. What I will do, another thing that I will do, another thing, listen well if you are in class now. Another thing that I will do is that anytime we are having our class, I will make some people co-hosts so that you can do some setting. That is somebody that is disturbing the person that is disturbing the class now. You can mute the person. I will just make like 3, 4, or 5 people co-hosts so that they can have power to mute people when they are disturbing the class. Because while I'm having the class, I cannot be doing the same. So get ready, I can choose you. That means if I choose you, you have to be on, you have to be in class. Because anything can happen that I'll call you, oh, do this, do that. That's fine by you.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I can come here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Your question.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good
Sir,
morning.
please, this virtual class, the attendance, the test, and the assignment, will they be used for physical grading?
What's the meaning of physical grading?
Like when we resume, with all these scores be used?
Sure. Now I told you that all the tests will be used for your CA. So your CA will be at 40, while your exam will be 60.
Hello,
So,
sir.
hello.
Yes, sir. I want to ask. Yeah, there are some people that does not have access to mobile phones and they don't have the opportunity to join this class. And according to what you said the test given to us here will be added to our CGPA and
Sure.
So what is going to be of them?
Very well.
I think my advice is for them to try. I know Nigeria is somehow, but for them to try it, there's no way you will not have a phone in UI and you'll be able to. The person will miss a lot of things, a lot, if not exam or test. Please try. I know fingers are not equal, but it's very important you get maybe a fairly used phone and subscribe like 1,000 or 2,000 data so that you can have access to information. Very important. The person in our own time, there was something like that. So any information will be read from the notice board. But now, the life has changed
sir,
to
please. Sir, please
virtual. Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Nathaniel. I can hear
Sir,
you.
yes, I have a question, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, I have some of my friends. Some want to change their course this first semester. So I want to ask, they have to have like what kind of GPA, at what amount, how high, before they could change?
They want to change their course.
Yes, sir. So and they said that they must have a good GPA.
It depends on where they are going. Some people, who is that person? Some people, who is that person now?
Yes.
Okay, let me unmute you all of you first. Let me mute all of you. Okay, I think. So, if they want to change, it depends on where you are going. Like now, you are in chemistry and you are going to want to change to MBBS, medicine and surgery. That's only if that's possible because it's not easy to change in UI. Once you are in, you are in. But at times people change. Let's say you are in chemistry or you are in biochemistry or you are in zoology, you want to change to MBBS. Definitely you have a very good, if you have like 1.0 CGPA, MBBS will not pick you. Because they know that if you cannot have more than 3, okay, I think your own CGPA is 5. If you cannot have like 3, 4, 5, that means you cannot cope in MBBS, so they will not pick you. Another way, some people will be at the end of each session, some people will be asked to withdraw from their department if they cannot cope. It's not left for you to choose which department you want to go. Only if that department will take you. probably in physics now, they see that you are in physics and many of these courses the person failed them. So the person might be asked to withdraw from physics and go to any lesser department. So if that department will take him. But it's very important the person goes to that department first to go and check if they will take him or her. If yes, then the person will now come back to his present department to withdraw. Do we understand?
Sir, please, sorry, my network held me, please.
Okay.
Please, can you come again?
Okay. I said it might be possible for you to change. Though it's not common UI that I'm this course and I want to change this to this course after a year, but still yet some people change. And I told you, if you want to change it, for instance, let's say you are in biochemistry or you are in chemistry and you want to change to MBBS. You should know that MBBS is a little bit tougher than just chemistry. So, and you don't have a CGP of like 3 point something, 4 point something, or even 5.0, and you want to change. MBBS will not take you because they know once you get there, you will not do well. You cannot do well in chemistry. There's no way you will be able to do well in MBBS. If you cannot do well in what's it called? In mathematics or in statistics, there's no way you can do well in tech, in engineering. Because we believe that those departments are more rigorous than ordinary science departments. About physics, no. If you can cope with physics, you can cope anywhere. If you can cope with physics, you can cope anywhere. That's just it. But at the end of each session, UI will ask some people to withdraw from the university. Are you listening? UI will, either they like it or not, once they did not make up to 1.0 CGPA, automatically the person will be withdrawn from the university to his father's house. And some people will have to withdraw from their department to another department where they can cope, if they cannot cope well in that one. But provided they have made up to 1.0 CGPA, and they have met the number of required units. Once they have that, and they see that their leg is still shaking in that department, they can ask them to advise them to withdraw to another department. But it is good if you want to change. In our own time, we call that I think erosion. We call it erosion. Erosion moves you from one department to another. But if you want to change to another department, it is very important you go to that department first and go and ask if they will pick you or not. If you are not sure and you withdraw yourself from your department, it means you have withdrawn yourself from UI. You have to go to the department you are going to and go and ask them, collect form and fill that so that you'll be sure that they will receive you before you now go back to your current department and withdraw yourself from it. Have I made myself clear?
So, okay, sir, please, to make myself clear, please, must it be this semester or next semester?
No, you cannot change during this session. It should be after each section, after each session. Like now, you have to do first semester, second semester before you can change. You cannot change in the middle of the session.
Excuse me, sir. Who do we see to be able to change our course?
Good morning, sir. Please, can you tell us the difference between 1 unit course and 2?
The difference is what you have. Yeah. One unit course is a course that is carrying 1 unit. 2 unit course is a course that carries 2 units. Though let me say this so that you know if the lecturer uses another thing, you say, this is what one Ayola physics told us. So 1 unit course will not be as bulky as 2 unit course. That is, will not be voluminous, will not be too much as course of higher unit. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, like if you see 4 unit course, that may be 4 unit course. that one will be more bulky, more voluminous than the 2-unit course or than 1-unit course. Do you get? But if you are playing, if you are playing with your courses, if you have any, which I don't advise, if you have any high unit course, like you have a course of 5 units, you have a course of 4 units, don't try to fail those courses. They will drop your CGPA like anything. Do you get? At least try and have B. If you have a like 4-unit course, 5-unit course, 3-unit course, at least try your best to have A or B. Because if you mistakenly fail those courses, they can cripple your CGPA, and to rise will be very difficult. Do you get?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So I want to ask what's the breakdown of the grading system?
The grading system?
Yeah. Like how much do assignment quizzes and exam waste?
Okay. There's no a fixed breakdown assessment, but what we know is that your CA is 40%, your exam is 60%. That CA cannot be your exam, it can be your test, your assignment, your quiz, another thing. So, but everything will sum up to 40%. That's your CA. But your exam will be 60%. No negotiation about
Okay,
that.
answer. How is the best way to contact you for question outside of class?
You said?
What's the best way to contact you for question outside of class? Like email or portal?
You want to see me personally? Yeah, you can email me. My email is on the LMS page. You can just send me an email. I will respond. And again, the Telegram group, please don't misuse that group. It's not for play. Don't send unnecessary information there. You know your lecturers are there. Please don't send rubbish information to that Telegram group, please. Very important. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I cannot hear.
Please, are we doing the virtual class test and exam in a CBT center?
The virtual what? The virtual exam?
Test and exams.
No. It is when you resume physically. It is when you resume physically that we do CBT exam and test.
What of the test after these virtual classes?
It will be online. It will be an online class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, is tutorial recommendable or it is not necessary?
Tutorial?
Yes, sir, tutorials.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Sir, you talked about student portal, sir, that we are going to pay.
They will open it, don't worry. They will open very soon. So let's call it
Does
a
it
day.
mean resumption, sir? Excuse me, sir. Does it mean we are going before resumption?
Okay, I have a question.
Sure.
What
Sir, please, where can we see the video on the things we'll be talking about things? Because I just joined.
LMS.
It's on the LMS.
It will be on the LMS, yes. Let's call it a day. So next week. Okay, bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.